Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ibrahim, and today I'm walking you through how to create and search my map at Google Drive, full 2026 guide. If you've ever wanted to build your own custom map inside Google Drive and then quickly access or search it later, this video is going to cover every step from start to finish in a smooth, simple way. To begin, head over to Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're on the main homepage. Once you're there, open up Drive so you can see all of your files and folders. From this screen, look toward the top left and click on New to start creating something fresh. That will open a list of options, and near the bottom you'll find More, which reveals even more tools you can use. Among those options, choose Google My Maps, which opens the map creation interface linked directly to your drive. When the My Maps page loads, you'll see a note that creating a new map automatically uploads the title, thumbnail, and related details to your Google Drive. After the page is ready, select All to display all map-related choices available to you. From here, click on Create a New Map, which prepares a clean space for your custom map project. A confirmation will appear, and you can simply hit Create to move into the editing screen. Once your map opens, go to the search bar and type in the location you want to add to your map. When the search results show up, select the location, like choosing Ukraine as shown in the steps, and let the map center around it. After the location is highlighted, choose Add to Map, which places a marker or outline depending on the location. When everything is added, click back on the map to see the final placement and ensure it's set exactly how you want it. And that's all there is to it. You've now created and customized a My Map directly through Google Drive, and it's saved there automatically for easy searching and organizing later. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more guides just like this, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video.